name is Barry. 9 weeks ago, I had a total left hip replacement courtesy of Dr. Gerardo Mangino in San Jose del Cabo. My hip feels great. It actually feels great. The doctors in Canada told me that despite my severe arthritis, I was going to have to wait another 2 years. I did not want to wait another 2 years, so we did some research, found Dr. Mangino, went to San Jose del Cabo. Thoroughly modern hospital, modern equipment, well-trained staff. Dr. Mangino speaks perfect English, as do many of the people at the hospital. One thing that was really great was instead of a general anesthetic, which I was pretty nervous about, it was an epidural with sedation, and much better recovery from that and lots less danger. So a couple of days in the hospital, I was up and walking on the first day using a walker, and then after 3 days I abandoned the walker and I went to a cane, and now I don't use a cane 9 weeks later. The procedure itself was the anterolateral approach. Definitely did not want the posterior approach where muscles get cut